look so good.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, how you doing? How was your day? Thank you for coming into today's video. We're going to do a hairstyle. I'm going to show you my inspiration. I wanted to do this style but with braids, because I did ask you guys if you guys would like to see how the braids and beads would look in my hair. I feel like the twist will look a lot fuller and I want the full look. So I'm just going to unravel the style that I previously had in. If you watched my previous videos, like 2 videos before this, you would see how I moisturize my hair. I probably won't have to reapply product or much product at all because my hair is still moisturized. And this is the style that I did in my first shorts video. Okay, so my hair isn't the most detangled at the back right now, so I'm gonna start with the front part. Middle part is good, so I don't have to worry about that. Come down from here, and I have to try to get the parts as straight as I can. Okay, this seems good. Okay, so let me twist this to get it out of the way. Now I'm gonna part this side. You guys know I usually start at the back of my hair first, but today we're gonna start in the front. So I'm gonna start on this side. So put this away. This is not straight. It'll be a little bit more straighter. I don't think you're gonna really see that part, but I'm still gonna try to make it a little straighter. See? Much better. I'm gonna do these medium sized. That's a little bit too big. Okay, this can work. So I'm just gonna show you guys a couple first. I'm gonna break this into 2. I actually want you guys to see the realities of styling my hair. So I'm gonna do these on stretched hair, so I'm not going to add any water at all. So I'm just detangling some jam at the roots. I'm going to braid the roots actually, like 1/2 inch. And then I'm gonna lightly twist. Because I want it to look fluffy. So instead of staying up under the twist, as I twist, I'm going to slide my hands down. First, look at my ends, and then we're gonna bead. My ends don't look that bad, but I'm still gonna trim when I blow dry my hair soon. But this twist looks so good, y'all. Let me stand up. Oh! So these are the beads that I'm going to be using, that I used in my previous videos. So I ordered this from Amazon. Check the link in the description box if you want these ones. And I'm gonna take you guys advice. Some of you recommended that I use fewer beads because I did tell you guys about me not wanting to hit a clink clink. I'm gonna use 2 beads, and it's called a bead shredder, right? I know the name of it now, right? You live and you learn. 2 beads. Okay, I didn't have to put it so high. Oh shoot. So my hair is unraveling a bit. Don't want that to happen, so I'm twisting it back down. And actually, I can put a little bit more product on the ends just so my ends can stay moisturized, because I'm going to use a rubber band. So I have my ends. I'm gonna take the end and wrap it around the last bead, and then rubber band and pull this down. See, that looks really good. Anyway, I'm just gonna use another comb because I cannot find the brush that I just had. So detangle, apply some of the jam just on the roots to give me clean roots, because you guys know my hair will frizz out, and I find even with using the jam, I'm still gonna frizz out. So I guess we can get some freshness for a day. So I'm gonna braid at the roots and then slightly twist. Oh, I feel like this is gonna look so good. So as I'm getting closer to the ends, I'm just gonna apply some more product. You guys know what I'm using. I don't have to tell you that. But who wants to comment and let everyone else know what I'm using on my ends? Actually, I'm not even twisting all the way to the ends, to be honest. It doesn't really make sense. We're using 2 beads right there, right there. Push it through the bead shredder. Push the hair through the shredder. Pull the beads up right there. Bring 1 bead down, grab the ends, and wrap the ends around the last bead. Just like that. Wrap the rubber band around the bead, and that's why I wrap a lot of the hair around the last bead to prevent breakage, and I'm not wrapping it around too tight or too many times. Hold this down. These look good. Wow, I wiped my eyebrows off.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me.
Okay guys, the front is done, and I said let me show you guys real quick because the sun is about to go down, and I'll probably just show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow, but I need a break. Let me stand up. Okay, so the hair is hanging. Okay, this looks like I have Marley twist in my hair, like I having some Marley twist, just rocking the Marley. And I actually ordered some Marley twist to do this exact style, but the fact that my hair looks so good with just using my hair only, do I need the Marley braids? I only got the braids so my hair can last a little longer, because you guys know my hair already. You know how Jermaine is. This is not gonna last at all, but it's cute. Yeah, I'm struggling to get this out the ponytail, and I don't want to rip my hair out. I'm loving it so far. What do you guys think? Are you excited to see the final results? I am. The hair at the back is not detangled at all, so watch your girl struggle. So how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna ask my mom to help me with my parts. I asked my mom to help me with my part, and I told her to part this big section in half, and since that's done I can be able to do the rest parts myself. I'm back. So I had to finish the rest of my hair off camera because it was getting dark. We're here today. I'm excited to show you guys the results. Are you guys excited? Let's get excited because I'm excited. So you guys ready? Wait. This section of the video is sponsored by Uhuru Naturals, whom I've worked with before when they had a different name, but shout out to brands that continue to support creators, especially me. I get this question a lot. Razor, do you oil your scalp? And yes, I do. Stay tuned to see how I use these products in this video. I'm excited to introduce to you guys their rapid growth system. It's formulated with ingredients such as MSM, biotin, black seed oil, and many more bomb ingredients. Well, these products, because they're two. You guys know that I'm very familiar with MSM. I add the powder to my teas. It's also beneficial on the scalp. Biotin is also a very powerful ingredient along with black seed oil, which I've been trying to get, but I ordered it and it came broken. So in this process there are 2 steps. To be honest, I was sold on the ingredients because I'm familiar with all the ingredients. There's some other ingredients that I'll talk about while I show you guys how I apply it on my scalp. I'll post a link to where you can get more information, especially if you're interested in purchasing. So okay, so I did slick down my edges a little bit. Nothing too fancy. Hopefully they didn't sweat out. So let me take this off first. Okay, edges are set good. All right, you ready? Okay. Oh shoot, my earring gone. This is the final result. Well, these are whatever, but this looks so good. Oh girl, what are you saying? This looks so good. So we're hearing the clank clank, the earring drop out again. Wow, hold on. I'm still hearing the clank clank that I don't really care to hear, but with results like this, to be honest, I don't really care anymore. Wow. So let me know what you guys think down below. I have some side bangs, and we have the hair with the beads. Let me stand up to show you guys some more. Yes. So tell me why my dad asked me if it's my real hair or having extra hair. So you know. These look really good, for real. All mine. And I teach you how to grow hair around her. Let me know what you guys think. Love it! So as I said, I'm going to show you guys how I use the Rapid Biotin collection. There are 2 steps, as I said. So the first step is to spray this, unlock it, boom. Let me get a little closer for you. Spray in the scalp. Okay, don't get that in your mouth. Tastes sweet though. Massage that in. Oh, so I just used the Rapid Biotin MSN Advanced, the scalp therapy. Now I'm going to use the Rapid Biotin Black Seed Advanced Growth Elixir. Okay, boo. So you screw this off, put it in your scalp. Okay. I tend to overdo oils on my scalp, so I'm trying to not apply as much. And I usually don't oil my scalp on the same day as wash day because it's just too much products at that point, and I'm oily and all of that, so I just like to do it like a couple days after the next day. But one thing though, make sure you shake the products. I'm trying to give you guys the smell of that one. So this one doesn't smell like peppermint. This one smells a lot more earthy, so it's not sweet. So I'm just gonna massage that in, and it seems pretty lightweight. I'm gonna just continue to do that and then come back to you guys. Listen to these ingredients. Let's start with the scalp therapy spray, which smells like peppermint, by the way. We have glycerin, cayenne pepper, ginger, garlic bulb, wasabi extract, zinc, copper. They went in. Okay, there's also aloe vera juice in there, and the growth elixir has in fenugreek, shebe, amla, nettle, brahmi, hemp, pumpkin, castor oil, even caffeine. If you're lazy to make your own Ayurvedic or Ayurveda oil concoction, here's a plug. Thank me later. Check the description box for more details, as I said. Hair is moisturized, oiled, and styled. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys how I would wrap my hair up at night because I want this style to last. Usually I would just go to bed on my satin pillowcase, but with a style like this, I have to put in the work to make it last, right? I don't like putting the bonnet just around my edges because it may, you know, tug on the edges too much. I like to put a scarf on my edges, a satin scarf preferably. I mean, I'm not going anywhere right now, so that's why I'm gonna wrap it up too, and I just oil it as well. And after I take this face off, I'm going to exercise. So I gotta put my hair up because I definitely do not want to hear clank 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 clink every time I jump or squat or something. Ooh, hear that? Imagine just hearing that all day. If I'm going out, I'll probably wear it out, but I'm under quarantine right now, so I don't got nowhere to go. I can't go anywhere basically. So yeah guys, see you tomorrow. How does that song go? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Bye. See y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey, so it's been 3 or 4 days later, and these are my confessions. I haven't left the house at all. I have just been wearing this bonnet on my head. I not too long ago wore it out, so I made the bonnet tighter so it won't be bouncing and jumping about the place. So let me just show you guys what my hair looks like on my hair. This is what we got. We also lost some beads. We got a little bit of shrinkage, and we have a lot of frizz. Wow, I just said fridge. Yes, we have a lot of frizz. This is what my edges look like. Not too bad. It just looks like, you know, old hair. But I'm just gonna show you guys a couple quick styles that I would do with this hair if I were to wear it out to work or out to just some styles, okay? Sometimes you want to try some style. Before we do that, I'll do my edges first. You guys already know what I'm currently using for my edges, and it's probably my only edge control that I own right now. So it's the Instant Control Maximum Hold. We are all edged up, sleeked, and we fixed any malfunction. My hair still feels soft, moisturized somewhat, but anytime I wear my hair stretched, the moisture tends to leave my hair a little quicker than usual. So first style we're going to try is the half up, half down. I'm going to leave the bangs out. We can also bring the hair at the back to the front. Let's try a high puff. I'm gonna bring my hair all to the front. This one is the high puff. This one is cute too. You guys like this one? Let me know which one is your favorite. Oh, what about, I would probably just take the pieces in the front, still leave the bangs, take the pieces in the front and tie them back like this. And I would literally tie this like the hair. We have the hair pulled back style. What do you think about this one? These are just basic because it's kind of hard doing styles with your hair when you have a ton of beads on your ends. And we have one last one. I would probably just do a basic mid ponytail to show off the fullness and have the bangs out, of course. Okay, I only wrapped it around once. So as I said, basic, nothing too out of this wall like extra, because I would only do so much with this hairstyle since the beads are on my ends, as I said. And I think this one would be my everyday look, or this probably would be the one that I would rock. And I would probably tuck this away because you guys know for my job it wouldn't make sense to have this knocking in my face, to be honest. So I would just tuck it away like this, probably pin it down. These are the styles that I would try with this hairstyle. Let me know which one you liked the most. I'm probably gonna take these out tomorrow, maybe not. See you when I take these down. Is it a day or 2 days later? 2 days later, and I have a song for you. Now we've come to the end of the road. Time to let this hair go. Time to take out these beads, unravel this hair, and let this style go. Go. We have a frizz for days. Too many days. I'm gonna use the scissors to cut the rubber bands, take out the beads, and unravel. I'm not washing my hair anytime soon though. Today's Wednesday. I'm most likely going to wash my hair this weekend, so I'll just put in a style that can last for the upcoming days, you know. Let me show you guys what my hair is looking like real quick. You guys see this frizz? Like, I cannot live frizz for days. Always. No more bars left. To practice uniformity so I won't drive myself crazy, I like to just put my hair up and deal with my sections one by one. Works like a charm. Oh, this was the hairstyle. What we looking like? Mama Africa. She's royal. Hey, so royal. And I sing, mommy, sing. My mom knows the vibes. Okay, let's take these though. The beads are just making things harder than they need to be right now. And then there was one. I have to be very careful so I won't cut my hair. So I'm just looking for a clean part of the rubber band, and then we cut it. Pow. Mommy, you wanna help me?
No.
What do you mean, nah?
No.
So it's a do for do. Unwrap the hair. Oh. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm going to unravel one time for the one time. I have to be very careful because my hair is very fragile right now. I'm gonna do one more for the girls and boys, and then I'm gonna focus on me. Can you focus on... Anyway. Look for a clean part of the rubber band. Pull it out. Usually I would bust them, but nah, not today. I don't want to lose too much hair. Cut it and look for the piece that are wrapped around the hair. Examine them ends, you know. Ooh, trim off some if I can using my hair scissors. Okay, cut it. Just cut some more. Just cut it. Pull the beads down. Unravel. Take my time. Unravel, and then that's just what we're gonna do for the rest of the hair. After probably an hour, it felt that long. It was probably that long. I just tried to get into a zone and stay in that zone anytime I'm doing my hair or taking it down. My hair needs to be washed, but I don't feel like washing it, so we are done. That's what's important right now. I'll figure out what I'll do after. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just let you guys in on me doing a style, how it's going during the style, and how I take it down. So let me know if you guys like videos like these. I may do them from time to time. See you guys in the next video. Bye.